Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing today? Well, I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope everyone is doing fine. Well, guys, we had 2 straight cold days, and yes, they has damaged some of my okra slip, some of my tomatoes, but I'm not worried. Today the sun is out, and I know with a little care everything gonna be in place. So today I'm going and plant some eddoes. I already dig some holes, so I'm going and plant some eddoes. I already cut them up already. I already cut them up. As you can see, I cut them in pieces. Yes. So now I'm getting ready to plant eddoes. I don't know if a lot of people familiar with it by this name, but we call it eddoes. I know it by eddoes. So I want plenty eddoes to harvest, so I split them up. Last year I harvest a lot of eddoes, and I only had 3 eddoes. If you go back to my videos how to harvest, go in my channel, how to harvest eddoes, you're gonna see a video and you're gonna see how much eddoes I get from 3 eddoes, because they push out so much eyes that all I do, I just split them up in pieces and I harvest a 5-gallon bucket of eddoes. So this year I'm going and do the same thing, and hopefully I'm gonna get more than 1 5-gallon bucket. So all I'm doing right at this moment, that's all I'm doing. I already dig the hole. So now I'm gonna plant this eddoe. I'm gonna put it downwards just like that and cover it. And cover it just like that. I'm putting 1 in a hole. I'm putting 1 in a hole, because the more hole I plant, I believe the more eddoes I'm gonna get. That's another one there. You put it down and you cover them. I mean, you do it's something same like potato. Same like potato. Take a next one. You put it downwards like that and you cover it. I plant them very deep. I don't know if you guys notice, but everything I plant it deep. Because I believe the deeper you plant them, they're gonna push out more root under the earth. They're gonna become bigger plants and they're gonna bear even more. So I had 3 eddoe plants the last time, and I cut them up in pieces. I cut them up in pieces and I get a full 5-gallon bucket. So honestly, this year I expect even more if everything goes well. Yes. I also have more potato to plant, but today I want to plant out all these eddoes. Yes guys, I love to plant food, and I hope you guys supporting that channel, those videos with the kids, because I'm really trying to encourage them to stay and plant that they could get able to harvest and able to carry home for their parents. So please support these videos with these little kids planting. Yes, guys. I'm putting one in a hole. Some people put 2, 3 in a hole. No, I'm putting one. Because I believe the more you put is the less you get. Yes, guys. So right now I already planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 holes of eddoes, and I still have a lot. So I'm going and plant all these. I'm planting today, all of them. So these are eddoes right here that I cut up in pieces that I can get more eddoes to plant. More hole, you stand a chance of harvesting a lot more. All right, I even prove that with my potato. The more holes you plant, the more you get. You could put one piece of potato in one hole and you could harvest a root of potato from that root. Okay? So how you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. Don't forget the water challenge, guys. Please keep up with the water challenge. Trying to grow a healthy group here, that we could eat healthy, look for healthy products, keep the body working good, keep the immune system working good. That's all, guys. So please support the channel. This is my peach tree here. I don't know if you see, but this is small peach coming. This peach tree does grow a lot of peach every year, and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and wider and taller, and I'm so appreciating that. I try to take care of every plant I have because, like I said, you know, I want to eat from them. You see, look what I do. All these rotten trees I throw around the root and leave them there to rotten. So that's good manure, good organic manure for this tree. Look how it's growing nice. You see how nice it's growing? Lot of fruits right now. So guys, thank you guys for watching. This was just a video showing you how I plant my eddoes. So like within a month time, you guys gonna start see eddoes start shooting up above the ground. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And don't forget the giveaway. The giveaway is on the 16th. I'm gonna choose a lucky winner. Thank you, beautiful people. Thank you all. I appreciate you guys. Thanks.